Here, what you see is automation, a connector for the production of pizza rack. I think for Western country, you would be familiar with this kind of stuff. When a pizza delivered to your home, you will find it. It is to hold the pizza to prevent the package to be damaged during the delivery. So this stuff is for the connecting of a pizza rack to have it well stacked before packing. You can see the robot will stack the pizza rack in this way, so the staff can carry it easily for packing. This is the function of this connector. We will have a robot to pick the pizza rack from the injection molding machine and stack it here again to be put here. And when there is full, these two connector will exchange. This connector would be slided to the other way. So the staff will either connect the well stacked pizza rack from here, from this side, or from this side. It is easy solution to prevent a complex structure to sweep the connectors from here to there. Because the pizza rack can be stacked only here.